Good morning, students. My name is Uzma Siddiqui and I am your mathematics teacher. A very warm welcome to all of you in this new session. Today is our first day of teaching. So, this is your book. This is your book which we are going to follow in this year. Its name is Startup Mathematics and in this first chapter is numbers. So, we are going to start with numbers. Those who have their books with them, it's very good. Please go through it. And for others, I have already sent the PDF of chapter 1 in your classroom. I hope you all have completed your quick recall as I already asked you to do yesterday. So, in the content of the number chapter is here. Counting up to crore, place value, expanded form and short form. These are the topics which we are going to cover today. Fine? What is written? Counting up to crores. Okay. All of you know what is the largest 7-digit number. The largest 7-digit number is 9999999. It is the largest 7-digit number, we all know. By adding 1 to it, by adding 1 to the largest digit number, what we get is 100000000. It is read as crore. Actually, this is 1 crore and it is the smallest 8-digit number and it is also a smallest 8-digit number. Fine? The largest 8-digit number is, what is the largest 8-digit number? Largest 8-digit number is 9999999. And adding 1 to it, what we get is 100000000. It read as 10 crore and it is the smallest 9-digit number also. Here we have place value chart. I know you all are aware of place value chart, but in this session, so read ones with me. Other ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and a crore, 10 crore. Fine? Okay. To a large number like this, we have to put commas to separate the periods. This 2, 1, 3 digits are ones. This 2 are thousand. This 2 are lakh, and this is crore. So put comma. We put comma starting from the extreme right. We move to left, and after 3rd, 5th, and 7th, we put comma. After 3rd, 5th, and 7th digit, we put comma. Remember this. In every large number, how we put comma? After 3rd, 5th, and 7th digit from extreme right when we move towards left. Number name. How to write a number name? We have already done this same number. We have already placed in the place value chart. Like this, 3 is in 1's place, 1 in 10's place, 2 in 100 place, 6 in 1000, 4 in 10,000, 5 in lakh, 8 in 10 lakh and 3 in crore. We have already done this. Fine. If we have to write the number name for this, how we can write it? 3. How we can pronounce it? Read is 3 crore 85 lakh. So 3 crore 85 lakh 46,000 and 213. This is the number name for this number. Fine. Okay. How to write a place value, how to find a place value of any digit in any number. Fine. Suppose we have this number 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 7, 5, 4 and we have put it comma, we have separated into periods. So this is, the number is 2 crore, 14 lakh 36,754. as we all know and we discussed earlier. So if someone tell you to find out the place value of 1 here, so how can you write? So we discussed every digit's place value in this number, fine? Starting from 2. So 2 digit has the place value 2 crore in this number. 2 has the place value of 2 crore in this number. 1 has the value of 110 lakh. 4 has the value of 4 lakhs. 3 is 310,000. 6 is 1000. 7 is 100. 5 is 10 and 4 is in the place of ones. You can see this chart I have made. 2 is 2 crores. Place value of 2 is 2 crores. Place value of 1 is 110 lakhs. That is 10 lakhs. 4 is 4 lakh. 3 is 310,000. 6 is 6,000. 7 is 700 and 5 is 510 and 4 is 4 ones. So how can you write 2 crore? We can write like this. 110 lakh can be written as like this. 4 lakh is written like this. You can put, if somebody asks you to the place value of 2 in this, so you can write the place value of 2 is, you simply write 2 and put the zeros after this 2. How many digits in the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So put 7 zeros. So put 7 zeros. Fine? If somebody asks you to place value of 6, place value of 6 in this number. So the place value of 6 is after 6, how many digits are there in the number? 1, 2, 3. So put 3 zeros after 6. That is 6, 0, 0. This is 6,000. So the place value of 6 in this number is 6,000. If you want to know the place value of 3 in this number, how many digits after 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 followed by 4 zeros. You can see here 3 followed by 4 zeros, and it is 310,000. Fine? We have 3 more examples with us. Here we have to find the place value of 1 digit which are circle. In this number, we have to find the place value of 3 in this digit, in this number. So how we can find out the place value of 3 in the number? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So the place value of 3 in this number is 3 crore. Fine? The place value of 3 in this number is 3 crore. In the second question, we have to find out the place value of 0 because it is circle. We have to find out the place value of 0. So there is no need to count 100 there, no need to refer the place value chart because 0 place value is always 0. Fine? Place value of 0 is always 0. चाहे वो किसी भी जगह पे हो, is always 0. In third question, we have to find out the place value of 4 in this number. So let's start. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 means 4 10,000 is the place value of 4 in this number. 4 10,000. So up till now you understand how to find the place value of any number? Question. Okay. Up till now you understand how to find the place value of any digit in any number. This is a different question. In this sum and difference of place value 9 and 4 in this number required. Fine. How to find the sum and difference of place value 9 and 4 in this number? Okay. Let's start step by step. You understand how to find the place value of 9 and 4 separately? Do it. What is the value of place value of 9 in this number? 9. Place value of 9 in this number? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So the place value of 9 here is 5. And what is the place value of 4 in this number? 4 is here. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 means 4 10,000, that is 40,000. So the other number is 40,000. So 90, this is the place value of 90 lakh is the place value of 9 in this number, and 40,000 is the place value of 4 in this number. What we have? Place value of 9 and place value of 4 with us. And next step is to find the sum and difference. It's very easy to find the sum and difference of two numbers. So for finding the sum, what do you have to do is to add this, and for difference you have to do this. Subtract smaller number from bigger number. This is the sum. Sum of the place value 9 and 4, and this is the difference of the place value of 9 and 4. This is the addition. You can do it yourself also. So very easy to add and subtract. Fine. Now this is expanded form and short form. How to write expanded form of a number, and how to write a short form of an expanded form. Expanded form is the sum of its place values of its digit. I am repeating, expanded form is the sum of, you see everybody, sum. Expanded form is the sum of the place values of its digit. Like in our first example, we have a number 54632,817. What it is? 5 crores 46 lakhs 32,817. So how to write the expanded form of this? We have to know what are the place values of each digit, and then adding the place value of digit, we are getting this. This is the expanded form. Fine. So what's the place value of 5? We have to find out the place value of each digit, and then adding up all will give you the expanded form of this number. Fine. So first of all you have to find the place value of each digit. What is the place value of 5 here? The place value of 5 in this number is crore. 5 crore. How? You can see 5 ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Well, the place value of 5 here is 5 crore. Adding next place value digit of 4. Place value digit of 4 is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 410 lakh is the place value of 4 in this number. So adding 5 crore to 410 lakh. Likewise, all are the place value of each digit in the number. 5 crore, 410 lakh, place value of 6 is 6 lakh, place value of 3 is 310,000, place value of 2 is 2,000, place value of 8 is 8,000, place value of 1 is 1 tenth, and place value of 7 is 7 ones. Understood? So adding all this place value gives you the expanded form of this number. Simple. And one way of writing expanded form is this. You can write like this. 5 crore, 40 lakh, 40 lakh, 6 lakh, 30,000, 2,800, 10 plus 7. Adding all this, the number is same. This number, we are writing this number in the expanded form. Fine? Another example for understanding how to make expanded form of a number. We have taken this number 234028762. What we have to do is to form the expanded form of this number. So I have already told you the expanded form is nothing but the sum of the place value of digits. Sum of the place value of the digits. Fine. So what is the place value? You have to find place value of each and every digit and then add it. You have to, this is very simple. You have to do is, you have to find out the place value of each digit in the number and then add it. That's it. Fine. So what is the place value of 2 here? 2 in this number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 2 crore, 10 crore. So 2 is, place value of 2 is 2, 10 crore. Likewise, 3 is 3 crore. What is the place value of 4 is? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. The place value of 4 is 4, 10 lakhs. 2 is, place value of 2 is 2, 10,000. We are not mentioning 0 because it's not needed. What is the place value of 8 is 8,000, place value of 7 is 7,000, place value of 6 is 6 tens, and place value of 2 is 2 ones. So adding all of this, we get the expanded form of this number. We have added every value. See, plus, plus, plus. We have added every values, and now we can write it as a. This is also the way of writing the expanded form. See, this is 20 crore, 3 crores, 40 lakh, 20,000, 800, 700, 8,000, 760 plus 2 is the expanded form of this number. We have done with the expanded form. Now we are coming to make the shorter form. Short form of an expanded number is a face value of each digit in the correct place. It is the face value of each digit in the correct place. We have given this expanded form, we have to make the shorter form. Okay, this is the expanded form. We have to write its shorter form here. So write its face value in its proper place. Like this. This is 4 crore. How to write 4 crore? This is 4 crore. You can write this. How to write 210 lakh? That is 20 lakh. Fine. How to write 3 lakh? How to write 410,000? That is 40,000. How to write 1,000? Face value of 1,000. 5 tens, that is 50. 4 ones, that is 4. After adding all these numbers, what we get is 4 crore, 23 lakh, 41,054. You can do it by yourself. Add all this number, you will get this. So this is the shorter form. This is the shorter form of this expanded version, of this expanded version. Fine. फॉर्म से हम शॉर्टर फॉर्म में भी सीख चुके हैं कैसे बनाते हैं और शॉर्टर फॉर्म से एक्सपैंडेड में भी. फाइन.